This video is an overview of Solid Edge and the design solutions it provides. Often, Solid Edge is thought of as simply a CAD tool, providing best-in-class 3D design and modeling capabilities. However, Solid Edge provides users with much more than just that, a full portfolio to meet a wide range of business needs, no matter what industry. We'll take a look at how Solid Edge not only offers rich design solutions, but simulation, manufacturing, and data management as well, all of which are scalable to meet your business needs. And if anything else is needed on top, Solid Edge has lots of add-on apps, integrations to further customize your desired solution. To begin the tour, let's take a look at what Solid Edge is best known for: design. From start to finish, designing in Solid Edge provides all the tools needed to create your custom parts and assemblies. Starting from an initial sketch, simply select the regions needed and drag them out in 3D, making visualization and creation of parts using Solid Edge's synchronous technology a breeze. Once the 3D part is formed, Solid Edge gives precision and control, driving faces and features directly using 3D dimensions. One of the most valuable aspects of Solid Edge's synchronous technology comes when unexpected design changes need to be made. The process is simple. Just visualize what needs to happen, select the associated geometry, and drive the change using Solid Edge's synchronous technology. What's even better, rebuild times and errors become a thing of the past when editing synchronous designs. If you're impressed with what you've seen so far, just wait until you see how Solid Edge handles assemblies. As we assemble our parts together, notice that much of the same capability for editing geometry that we just saw can easily be done in the assembly as well, once again allowing for faster and more precise design changes. Other great tools such as automatic placement of fastener systems such as nuts and bolts, and interference checking to ensure part fit and function round out just a few of the great capabilities that Solid Edge offers. Of course, now that our parts and assemblies are created, it's time to manufacture. Solid Edge is the king of drawings, allowing for automatic retrieval of dimensions on drawing views, automatic updates when changes are made to parts, and automatic balloon creation with parts lists, just to name a few. From direct interaction and control on parts and assemblies, to taking the guesswork and manual steps out of drawing creation, it's easy to see how Solid Edge allows you to design better. Next, we'll look at a simulation solution offered with Solid Edge. Solid Edge Simulation offers a fully integrated experience, providing options to simulate models for static studies such as stress, thermal, buckling, and vibration, and even fluid flow studies such as internal and external flows of materials to simulate things such as fans being used to cool electronic components. No matter what type of simulation study needing to be run, Solid Edge provides consistent workflows throughout. Simply define the forces and other loads acting on the parts, set the fixed ends and any additional constraints, and if working with an assembly, define how the parts fit together with connectors, and we're ready to go. Once complete, a wide range of results can be viewed and even animated. These animations, as well as a comprehensive automated report generation tool, ensure that all of the important information is collected for use with design reviews and marketing materials. Still want more? Solid Edge can even automate finding the optimum design for desired results. If you can visualize how your designs are meant to be used, Solid Edge Simulation can show you how they'll react. A combination of accuracy and efficiency, providing intuitive workflows being powered by a Siemens-owned FEMAP and Nastran engine, makes Solid Edge Simulation perfect for the design engineer. In addition to automated 2D drawings as seen before, Solid Edge offers much more for manufacturing, so let's take a look. Once a design is finished, it's time to prepare for manufacturing. Solid Edge supports two types of manufacturing processes: additive, such as 3D printing, and subtractive, or material removal. First, additive. Solid Edge offers full support for 3D printing, from a solid print preview page, integration with software to scale and customize prints, and even offering options to order your prints through the mail. For subtractive, this is CAM Express, a computer-aided machining solution that is fully integrated with Solid Edge. A single button click transfers any parts or assemblies to CAM Express, allowing for a fully associative experience. The CAM Express integration with Solid Edge provides intuitive workflows when setting up cutting tools and paths, providing graphical feedback, ensuring desired results every step of the way. Not only is CAM Express intuitive, but tools such as copy and paste to duplicate job information and defining custom rules on common cutting operations allow for increased speed and productivity as well. Finally, once all machining operations are established, CAM Express provides G-code simulations to show the full operation taking place. This is important because this is the same code that runs the real machines, so you'll see precisely how the parts will be created. As you can see, Solid Edge provides all of the tools necessary, no matter how you want to manufacture your parts. Next up, data management. No matter the size of a company or the amount of design work done, data management is important to get control of your data, improve collaboration, and speed completion of your design projects. Solid Edge offers a scalable solution for data management, depending on the specific needs and anticipated growth of a company. For straightforward data management, Solid Edge built-in capabilities are perfect for smaller companies with simple processes. With features such as unique document numbers, revisions, lifecycle management, and quick search capability, finding and saving your parts has never been easier. How about companies who work with large amounts of data and more complex processes? Solid Edge provides a seamless integration with Siemens PLM Software's Teamcenter, the most comprehensive product lifecycle management solution available today. Teamcenter solutions can be fully customized, no matter what your processes require. And with direct access to your data from within the Solid Edge application, accessing and working with data is fast and intuitive. When thinking about data management, you need to find the solution that is right for you and your business. Solid Edge Scalable Data Management does just that, providing choices to better meet your needs. And finally, Solid Edge Apps. To provide solutions outside of the core focuses seen, Solid Edge partners with best-in-class products on the market, integrating them to become an app. From technical publishing and product configuration to standardized parts and electrical schematic creation, Solid Edge has a wide range of app solutions available. Lists of all apps and technical partners are available to view. All you need to do is search for Solid Edge apps and find the desired solution. From rich design solutions, simulation capabilities, manufacturing integration, scalable data management, and best-in-class apps, it's easy to see how Solid Edge's full portfolio can better handle all of your needs. To find out more, check out the Solid Edge YouTube channel, or try it out for yourself by downloading a free trial today. Solid Edge, design better.